Hello everyone, blessed morning po sa ating lahat. So another day, another verse of the day. Meron po pala tayong today's verse ngayon.
On the first day of every week, each of you is to put aside and save as he may prosper, so that no collections need to be made when I come. 1 Corinthians chapter 16, verse 2.
So that's all for today. So sana po yung ating verse for today, makapagbibigay po siya ng enlightenment sa atin sa buong araw na ito. And ayan po, kung nakaabot po kayo hanggang dulo ng ating video, huwag pong kalimutan mag-follow and subscribe sa ating mga social media platform and mag-like na din po. And mag-comment down below kayo kung taga saan kayo para naman malaman natin kung saan naaabot itong video na to. Thank you for watching and ingat po tayong lahat. See you again on our next video. God bless us all. Bye!